All right, guys. Tomorrow is gonna be huge. I'm listening to some yacht rock here because I'm gonna go and hopefully park it somewhere in the Pacific. So this is Roaring Kitty's or Keith's live. He's live in 13 hours. It's gonna be absolutely insane. I mean, this is pretty epic. There's probably 15,000, but I have 24,000 likes here. This chat is going crazy. Meme season is here. If this really starts going tomorrow, if you have shares, help out the cockroaches. Do not sell. I might, if it makes over the. I mean, this could go absolutely nuts tomorrow or not. So let's see. He's in a position if he wants to purchase his shares, they don't have them. They do not have them. So I'm in AMC, obviously up nicely. Here's the volume the day before that squeeze that we caught. Right there. Boom. So the volume here isn't as magnificent as it is here on GME. However, with all the halts, all the bullshit, they hold. Did they hold SMCI when it ripped $100? No, they did not. But they hold this shit. So the reason I'm very very like whoa is this here. All right, look at the timestamp here, 7:40 ish. Okay, watch this. Oh, fuck, come on. 7:40. Do you see this? All right. So how are they when they're short this? They have this. Their shorts are all over these ETFs. So look at that candle, yo, on JPM. As soon as JP, like the banks. Okay, something funky is going on here, and it's major. So I don't know if we're gonna do JPM Fridays tomorrow with this meme squeeze going on here, guys. I mean, this is pretty serious. 53.70 right now. This can open over 70, which will put my AMC 5s plenty in the money. Do I expect to catch another 1,400%? No, but if it does, great. Also, I do want to say that BABA closed at 80, so if China can rip, that could be a possible one. Glad to see my brother in some fake meat. Hood, look, this shit, I'm telling you, I know. There's wood in the hood. Yes. But there's no other fucker on the internet. I mean, this is where we started last year. Remember that run? And I was like, oh yeah, dude, this is gonna go crazy. And then when we were down here, everybody's like, nice. Fucking $8 to 23. When's the last time I was here? Dude, look at this. Look at this. At some point this year, this gap is gonna fill. It's gonna get crazy. Okay, so keep 90% cash. Like, it's getting spicy. Obviously, look. What happened? Well, grab NVIDIA 1250s, I think somewhere here on Tuesday, right? Was selling into close yesterday. Ever since we broke up here, you never know when it's going to react. We had all the mark levels. I swung some 1250s. 750%. I think I sold right here at 1237. For 750%. That's a great fucking trade. Then they mooned to 2. I would probably have held them had I not gotten out. And then absolute mayhem. What a sell. So, NVIDIA probably runs tomorrow end of day. I'm going to wait and literally try to catch it. They might not run it before zeros close. Okay? Now, if they run NVIDIA, this little crackhead over here has been laying dormant for suspiciously long. But it's got this trend line here, so keep an eye on it, okay? Meta, huge pop, looked like continuation, wah, wah, wah. Okay, but quote, some nice, had some runners that went to dust. So tomorrow, All about GME. Holy moly. GME, AMC, Baba, Hood. I'm telling you, if this goes to 28.50, I'm getting a UPST tattoo. Okay, it is time. Yeah, I've waited now here. I'm ready for it to fill this gap and this half moon. I hope we put like a 22% day tomorrow. I would be ecstatic. Apple, absolute dog shit today. Didn't touch it. I think I was in for like 2 minutes on it. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Yesterday I taught you about the hammer candle. This candle, right? On the 5 minute. Let's go back. I wanna go back. Alright, here it is. Hammer candle. Look at that 5 minute candle. Okay? Boom. Let's go back even more. See, today we got this pattern. I'll get back to that. But I'm just refreshing your mind. See that? Hammer candle. Right there. See it? Okay, it's a hammer candle on 5 minute. While we're still on the 5 minute, look at that candle pattern. Look at that. All right, anyways. Now we have a situation where we have a hammer candle on the 1 hour. Huh. Could it be? Could it be? I hope so, because I'm in some YOLOs. What's going to determine it? The NFP numbers. Now, ADP was pretty nice. We had a nice reaction. I know this is a longer recap, but we probably got some new members. But anyways, non-farm payroll. If it comes in line or comes in cool, off we go. Now, yes. Look, who called it? I freaking called it. Where's that ECB shit? There you go. See, boom. 3.35. There, that's where we're at. Okay. Bank of Canada, ECB. Now everybody's like, okay, Fed balls in your court. That's why, and I'll go over this in the market analysis. That's why next Tuesday's inflation report that will come wrapped in freaking Santa's hat. Let me just put it that way. If it is somehow deep fried, baked, broiled, grilled, and comes in at 0.2, off we go. Will the Fed play ball? What if they say 5.25 is coming at some point? Okay. We'll send the market. That's how you end up at 550, 556. Will all of this transpire? No clue. That's why we're 90% cash. We try to catch the move with some out of the money YOLOs. Now I'm hedged 539 calls, 528 puts. Why? Because this shit can fail at any point in time. Look where the daily 9 is. If we don't go test it tomorrow, we're probably going to test it on CPI or FOMC. Now, that's the last FOMC. We're going to get a new level next week. And oh boy, if we trade above that FOMC, because the world is corrupt enough at this point. I almost feel like everybody's like, fuck it, let's do it. You know what I mean? It's going to get spicy. Now, market tide. Look at that into the close. I mean, somebody's buying. Yesterday, the calls were at 200 mil. Okay, all day today, like negative. Then you get that candle move. Okay, very interesting setup. However, internally here, SPY. Okay, because of the banks, SPY has more to do with stuff that is hedged as GameStop shorts. Okay, there's small panic, but then you got QQQ. Okay, even Nvidia here, still looking. I mean, you're gonna tell me Nvidia is bearish at 1200, but look, people are already buying. This is what, look, everybody on Twitter says this stock is going down. So I'm over here, I'm like, you know, do I order some toothpaste from Dr. Jones and buy calls? You know what I mean? Anyways, Bitcoin, Ah, very rarely does it just bounce. It's like eh. Don't like these double tops. Yes, technically could cup come down, but it needs for it to hold. These MAs need up for it to push it. So then we're looking at next week already. You know what I mean? So like, I'm looking at it. I'm glad I sold my Coinbase here. Remember, like from here to here. Yeah, because then I could have maybe stayed up, but it is basing where I sold or under it, but like maybe. So there's a lot of shit going on. Is the point I'm trying to make now? I don't know if the Namo has updated yet. Yes, it has. Look at that. This tells me if this Namo curls up, you won't believe it. You won't believe it. Now, I don't know if JPM is playable tomorrow. We will see. Okay, clearly I haven't been advertising that, but this concerns me definitely. However, on the daily it went to touch the 50 and got that candle, so we'll see. Maybe it pumps to 199 and the 200s are in play. I don't know yet. We'll have to see how NFP opens up. With that said, guys, tomorrow's going to be epic. I'm exhausted. It's been a week. Love you all. I really do. And I'm very grateful for our group. And you guys make me get up out of bed at 2:50 every morning. So do know that. I'm here. God bless.